Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can put airplane mode in your phone Nothing Phone One. Sometimes airplane mode will be useful when you are inserting SIM card freshly. That is, when you remove SIM card from your phone and reinsert. Network will not be get it done, so you got to just go to airplane mode and it will solve the network problem while you reinsert your SIM card. So for that, first go to the notification area and there will be airplane mode. Just click on it and it will be turned on. So after few seconds you can take off airplane mode and aeroplane mode, and then you will have the access to the network. Yes, now network will be reset, and if in case any problem occurs while you reinsert your SIM card, for example, you will not get any OTP after reinserting. So in that time, just reset like this using airplane mode, and then it will be working. So in this way, you can easily activate airplane mode in your phone Nothing Phone One. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.